Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Lately, I've been really into drinking tea, so I wanted to get something to organize it. This is an awesome acrylic tea holder. This is by Mind Reader, and it's so pretty. I love its convenient size and how well that it holds everything in one place. You don't have to worry about hunting for any of your tea once you start using this beautiful acrylic and bamboo organizer. It has compartments that allow you to fit perfectly into order all of your tea. I really love that when I have company, I can easily show them. They can see everything from the clear acrylic design so that they can pick out their own tea. The design of this honestly could not have been any more thoughtful. I love that you can take the acrylic holder out and you can hold it by that handle, bringing it over to a different part of your kitchen if needed. In addition, this makes a beautiful display that easily stores onto a shelf. I have a little coffee and tea stand, and I just love that I can place it and have it ready and convenient for me whenever I need it. Before, I used to keep my tea bags in a jar. It was so difficult to find which one was which. This keeps everything so well organized. It's super pretty and cute, and it really just keeps everything in place. But that's just my point of view.